Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. How to create character like that from text. After that we can create it as an image. So after that we will convert this image to 3D model like that just in a few clicks. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to create our image. Okay, so you can go to any website to can create your AI image from Midjourney, ChatGPT, or any free website for AI. Egyptian character with all the style, abos. Okay. Picture style, funny Egyptian, okay, Egyptian character, sorry, picture style, okay, create funny Egyptian style with picture style, and wait a little bit, we can create this one. So now after I create this character, okay, we can download this one. Okay, so here our character. Second step, what we are going to do now, we need to go to any website like Meshy or Rodin 3D. So after that you can register for free. Just you can add a few points and you can create your own assets. So from here, workspace image to 3D. After that we can upload our image, or you can drag and drop your image, just drag and drop. Okay, so now this model will be private, symmetry auto. Okay, after that we can create and generate. Okay, if you still not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like for my video. Okay, we are waiting. Here now our character. Here we can take this one, but if you look here, we have this area is not good in this area. Okay, we can wait till this one. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, this one. Okay, still the finger, they didn't resolve it yet. Okay, but you can try another one, but because I don't have any time, okay, we can take this one. I think this one is near. Okay, okay, confirm. So we can choose generate texture or not. We can generate texture. Okay, I will choose this one. In Rodin 3D I tested before the finger resolved and the head. Okay, okay, so after that we can you can choose from here animation, or you can make image for this one. You can choose any animation, or you can insert it to Miximo to make a rig on it. So after that we can download this one. Okay, from here, from this one, we can choose GLB and make download. Okay, so now we have our GLB model here. So after that we can go to Unreal Engine and we can make a new level. Okay, so after that we can make any rig. For example, we can add any animation from here. Okay, we can choose any animation, walk for example. Okay, so this one rig first. Okay, we can choose rig. After that, next, like Miximo, or Miximo for free. Okay, now rotation. Just I will add this one, A for elbow, and this one here in this area, and this one here, and we can add this one. Okay, ankle, and here. After that we can add here in this area. So this one for okay, shin, shoulder here. Okay, so now all of them in the right way. Confirm, and let's see how much is good Meshy or Miximo. I prefer to make model in any AI tools and insert it in Miximo because you have unlimited character there. But or auto rig free software, you can use it in rigging. I think a little bit slow. So after that, after we download our character, we can create any folder here, 3D model, okay, and import, and this one. Okay, wait a little bit. So make reset. After that, import. So now okay, wait a little bit. This is our model and this texture, but okay, now we have our model. Okay, so this model for just you can use it for any asset, but if you look here, we have some problem here in this area and this area. So what is the solution for this one? Just you can make a retopology for this model. After that, you can make backup from this texture to the new model. After that, you can animate it. So this is an easy way to create your model. If you have any complicated character like this one, I prefer to insert it to ZBrush and make fix it. I prefer to insert this character to any 3D model and make retopology, and after that you can back this texture. After that you can insert it and make this one. So but I think for the first look good, you can use it as an asset, but if you want to insert it as a character for your game, I think you must make retopology for it. So after we import this character to Unreal Engine, if you look here, we have problem here in this area. Okay, so we can right click and create material, okay, and come here and create parameter for this one, metallic, specular, and after that roughness. Okay, so now we have 3 parameter. Okay, just we can apply. After that, close this one. Now we can right click and create material instance. Okay, after that, okay, if you look here, we resolve this problem. So we can double click here and we will see here our parameter. Okay, you can come here to this area. After that, we can metallic, increase this one. Okay, roughness, look now, and we can, okay, so specular, we don't need it. Okay, so you can play with this area. So I think now it's very nice. Okay, you can use this character for your game. Okay, or you can use it as a normal asset. So this is the easy way to create your own character just in a few clicks. Okay, in the next video maybe we can create animation for this character and we can use it as a character at your game. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.